So Rogers before was really traditional manufacturing, and Rogers now is intelligent machines, intelligent teams focused on the customer.
It's a game changer for not just Rogers, but also Kennametal in total. What we focused on over the last 18 months has been very equipment dependent, where we have made significant investment in new technology that to date we're not using anywhere else in the company.
In the modernization, the first thing we did was we basically put a lot of material handling in place with robotics.
Before, people were trained to be experts in one area, and now people are trained cross-functionally across the entire facility. So people have the opportunity to learn machines and processes that they would have never had the chance to learn before and show their talents.
The modernization, as it's changed the culture of our department, we've changed as a team, learning a new process or a new machine, learning about the robots and how to set them up. People are really excited because it allows them to be a more highly skilled employee.
By making a large investment in a short period of time, we've been able to standardize our equipment so that it makes everything easier, from maintaining the equipment to teaching people how to use it.
I'm very excited now that I see that everything is falling into place. I know that we still have an opportunity to make it better, and it's exciting.
We're becoming more modern, we're getting more efficient as we are growing and progressing, and we are becoming more competitive.
I think the biggest impact that our customers are going to see from us as we finish this up and as we modernize is just the reliability of our company when it comes to delivery and quality. Our consistency has always been good, but it's going to be even better now, and I think this will put us above our competitors from a reliability standpoint. We're not going to just make this investment and now we're done. We're investing in a smart factory. We're starting to move forward and do things our competitors aren't doing. Kennametal is investing in the future.